Hello, hello, my friends. Welcome back. It's Dion at the Blushing Mint, and I have finished this paper bag folio with a journal. And so I am going to do a quick flip through here for you of the finished product. Love. So much to love about this project, and I cannot wait to make a handful more because they're just awesome. I love it. So I had said in, I think, the last video, one of the things that I would do different is I would think about the closure ahead of time so that I could glue it underneath the back cover of our bag. But this worked out just fine for me because I actually, I'm using some dyed sari silk ribbon, and I actually glued it along the top of this pocket here, and the pocket still functions perfect. Everything still functions perfect on it, and it's just another embellishment. So I don't hate this, but I probably would do it different next time. So anyhow, neither here nor there, but I've just added some Tim Holtz field note labels and some botanical layer pieces from the Tim Holtz collections on here. And that's the back. I copy dye laced the paper on the back of the tags. I just did some more of that matching sari silk ribbon across the top, a little eyelet. And these are just simple projects. So then this is a two-tone sari silk, which I love because of all the other colors in here. It blends perfectly. So some more of those Tim Holtz field notes and some butterflies. And then I just took one of these copy dyed envelopes. Now I didn't put anything in them. I just left them blank and unembellished, and I just tucked that in the back of this one here. More little embellishments here, and then another one of those envelopes on this side over here. You can still tuck plenty of things inside here as well. A few more specimen labels and florals here, and then this is where we tucked this piece of ephemera, and it could easily be journaling space or whatever with that little tag there. And so then this opens up again, and we have our copy dyed envelope inside here. Again, nothing inside these. This is just a treasure trove of places that you can put and create your own beautiful journal piece in here. But if you're giving this as a gift, you could tuck letters in there, tuck some pictures, anything like that in there that you can make it more personal for your recipient if you so choose. And then just another one of those specimen labels and a flower, and then it flaps and flips closed. And then inside our paper bag, you could tuck so many other things. There is plenty of space in this paper bag to tuck things in. But we have our beautiful journal, just a simple journal here, lace ribbon on the edge. Open it up, and let me find a little thing. We have a pocket here, copy dyed paper, some more of our digitals, a little tuck spot here with lace trim, some stencil dyed paper in here, more lace trim, copy dyed paper, the digital, another tuck spot, copy dyed paper, the digital with a pocket in the back, stencil dyed paper here. This is the center of our signature that we created. Big coffee dyed tag here, and that tucks in there, just pokes out the top. Over here, I have added a couple matching floral embellishments. We've got our two charms. We've got just a little heart, and then the one that says made with love. This is just a copy dyed envelope from Artie Mays as well, tucked into this pocket. And then I just popped this decorative paper clip on here just to keep it all together. And then the other side of our center of the signature, that stencil paper, the digital kit here with that lace trim, coffee dyed paper, tuck spot there, tons just fully ready to journal on. Big pocket here. This is gorgeous. I love this. Tuck spot there, lined journaling space here, coffee dyed paper, and the back of the journal, friends. And that is the paper bag folio with a journal. And I absolutely love this. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you like this flip through and the final project. I will get this put on my website at some point here shortly, and I cannot wait to make more of these. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you for following along as I created this project, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Until then, friends, please take care and be well. Talk soon. Bye-bye.